This video is to help us understand how newspapers serve as sources of history. You see this classic newspaper in front of you, dated Friday, the 15th of August 1947, the day India got independence. Let us see what news was printed in this newspaper. Let's see the headlines. Two dominions are born. That means two countries are born. See the next line. Political freedom for 1/5 of the human race. That many people were living in India and Pakistan. Power assumed by Indians. The Constituent Assembly members take the oath. Work for common prosperity. Look at the photographs that it carried. Close friendship with Britain. Nehru's reply to Mr. Clement Attlee, the Prime Minister of England. The first governor of West Bengal, CR, means Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, sworn in this morning. 2 holidays were declared. See below. Joyful scenes in Calcutta, celebration by Hindus and Muslims. Further down we have Gandhi and Suhrawardi to fast and pray today in order to help reduce the violence in Bengal. Meeting listens to Mahatma without an interruption. The first cabinet of India begins to function. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru heads Dominion Ministry of 14. See the inside page. Negotiations which brought freedom to India. So it gives you a complete record of the history of what exactly happened. See, division inevitable after the Simla conference. If you can see that, as you start reading and you go down the line, you see it gives you all the details of everything that happened. See, the Cripps plan. You come down step by step and you will see a lot of things. The fundamental divergences. It goes on till we ultimately come to reason for agreement. The next page we have information like the birth of the Indian Dominion. News from page 1 continues. See the London Stock Exchange. Joyous scenes in Calcutta. There are advertisements that were printed in this page. Lot of advertisements, of course. See the last page, which carries photographs of Governor General Lord Mountbatten, the first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. About Pakistan, the Governor General of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan. Further down below we have milestones on the road to freedom, and of course credit given to Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, who championed the cause of India's freedom. We also have one more newspaper that dates to, please see the date, Thursday, January 26, 1950. Look at the headlines. The birth of the Indian Republic proclaimed today. So India becomes a republic. Be loyal to the chosen leaders. Fulfill Bapu's dream. Dr. Prasad. plea to his countrymen. Republic Day. Look at Jawaharlal Nehru and Babu Rajendra Prasad, who became the first president, the first prime minister and the first president. We also have international news like Indonesia's demand for merger of New Guinea. We go further, look at the celebrations in Mumbai. This is VT station, very well lighted. This paper also carries the original version of the Jana Gana Mana as it was required to be sung, the national anthem, with its notes. This page talks about the making of the Constitution, how the Constitution was made, what efforts and work went into it. Look at certain advertisements printed here. We had the Great Eastern Circus, and a very beautiful advertisement here. Today, the 26th of Jan 1997, India wakes to another revolutionary change. These are complementary newspapers which come with the main newspaper.